I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is Formidable Forms. Select a form. Click Next. Now here search and select GiveWP. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. Click on Connect. Successfully connected with GiveWP. Click Next. Choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create a Donor. Now do the field mapping. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to GiveWP. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now navigate to the GiveWP dashboard. Go to the donors list. Here is the data that came into GiveWP through the integration. Thanks for watching our video.